Aircraft sales and management is the newest product line in Magellan Jets aviation portfolio. That really closes the loop and really the circle of life for a private flyer. We have on-demand charter, our jet membership program. The legacy product is our 25-hour, 50-hour jet card product. Full aircraft ownership is one of those. One of the pillars of Magellan Jets is customer advocates and really sitting on the same side of the table with our customers. And through the launch of our aircraft sales and management, we're there for the purchase of that asset, and then the next step is really the management of that asset. And for our customers that are interested in offsetting the cost of aircraft ownership, what we're doing is we're helping them do that through putting the aircraft into our own network for our jet card programs, membership programs, etc.
And we have the relationships with the operator. So if we have a customer who's going to put their plane on certificate with an operator, well, we have those relationships. We've built those relationships over the last 15 years. So I think what our customers will find is that relationship building that we've done with operators who we know do this really well is just going to make the process a lot easier and smoother.